Welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we have the Silverware sound experiment for you to try. We are going to make a spoon sound like a gong. Oh my goodness, how is that even possible? Well, a little bit of science. All you need is a spoon, some yarn, and a table. Crazy. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your yarn and you're going to tie it to the spoon in the center so that you have both ends coming off the spoon. Okay? Then you're going to wrap the ends of the yarn around your fingers. That way the spoon is still able to hang kind of in the center. Then you're going to plug your ears with the yarn. Okay? You want to make sure that the spoon is hanging down low enough, it's not touching your body. Then with your earbuds in, or the yarn in your ears, you're going to swing the spoon into a table. That collision is going to cause vibrations. It's going to send those vibrations, or sound waves, from the spoon up the yarn to your ears. And it's going to create a wonderful sound in your ears for you to experience. So this is a great way to see how sound waves really work. Well, this has been Discovery at Home. Happy experimenting.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.